It's another stream once again. We're back here. Hello to my 0 viewers. Yeah, I don't know who's even gonna watch this, but
just go. Oh no, let's go whitey.
yes. I still don't know what I could add to this virus even. It's a good virus. Except... Nah. I don't know. Huh. The only thing I can actually think of right now is actually finishing the virus. So let's see if everything even works correctly, and then we'll see. Then we'll finish the virus, squishing it all together. 1 hour should be enough for that. Another 1 hour stream, guys. Welcome.
Welcome to one viewer, I believe.
I have one viewer. I have how much?
Me, I don't know.
One watching.
I don't know.
And that one viewer is no.
Oh, it's me. Okay, fuck.
Anyways.
Wait, let me tell the MCG.
Anyways, let's see if every payload works. First, the first payload. I'm sure this works, so I'm gonna run it. So, but yeah, there's no point. By the way, this disables UAC, which is cool. I think it does, doesn't it? It might not work.
What are you going to do with the value
on the admin account? Well, you literally have to run every payload with admin privileges, so yeah. That's a thing that happens. Scroll down to the administrator account, which is our cheat code. We wait like 2 seconds for this. It seriously doesn't take long. It's done already.
Why do you have 8 gigs of memory in your VM?
Because I have 32 and...
Yeah, what?
Yeah, and I have nothing to use them with. Right now I'm using 10. Oh gosh, so... I can do 16, but I'm lazy.
No, don't do 16.
The virus is taking over. Let's see.
Well, I have 16 in my PC, so...
I know this payload works, but still, let's see it. Jumping around like sheep. And now it goes crash. Crash.
No.
Crash. 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 Anytime soon. Crash. Crash, I beg you.
Isn't I believe there's command to manually launch the screen.
And you crashed. Congratulations. By the way, today I'm with Java. I don't know.
Yes.
Well, not today. Literally, 2 of these streams are filmed like 1 or 2 hours apart, but still. Come on. Let me...
Sod face.
Okay, let's just kill it manually because this is too slow. Please wait! Oh, you what?
What the?
Windows just wants to die. Oh, I mean, this is 1507. Perfect!
Try the recovery. Maybe it will work.
No, it's just
If it
the
if it does, then
No,
your
it's
virus
just
is
that
dead.
B-sod. Windows detected the B-sod. Funnily enough, I guess. Administrator, welcome. And now we have our last two files. Wait for it to allow me to drag and drop.
Huh.
And the MBR virus. MBR.bin. If we shut down and actually change it to 16 gigabytes and and BIOS 14.9 close enough, I guess. We see that we should be careful the next time we run the virus.
Did you just wait? No, I'm done.
You
I was
can
about to say, did you just delete the BIOS? Oh.
no, that's MBR. Now you literally can't boot into anything except the recovery CD, which probably won't even recover anything. Well, the virus is now complete, basically, but...
Oh, wait, my voice calling.
Should I add?
Oh, well, I gotta go now. I'll call you later.
Okay, sure.
Okay, and I'll watch your stream. Don't worry, I'll be there. Bye.
Bye. Okay, well that was fun. Now I think I'm gonna squish the whole thing together. So let me see if my friend is online. Come on. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Well, I guess not then. Now we have to do everything by ourselves. Let's get our beautiful paint.net paint program. We're gonna think this one. So the first payload extracts schedules a file to run, not to run, but actually I don't know. Should it be ran on? Yeah, okay. The task scheduler runs payload 2, which then extracts payload 3, which then if you run, you go boom. Let's color code this. I've actually never done that. So 1 second. So the first payload, I'm gonna make, where's my, okay. The first payload, I'm gonna make it blue over here, so color-coded blue. Task scheduler is yellow. Runs part 2 red, because this is not dangerous, but this is the dangerous part, and this is the kinda dangerous part. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this on my second monitor and see chat. Help about chat. Visual Studio and Paint, and also maybe chat. I have no 3 monitors. Okay, let's see. The first one, task scheduler. Okay, this is the hardest part in my opinion. I already saved it. I don't remember when. I would love for wait. So this is literally what I need, is it? It can't be that easy, is it? Gee. Okay. Task scheduler. The first one, task schedules, yeah. Already added these two, which are outdated. Task schedule, so we could add it to NuGet, which is what I'm gonna do. And task scheduler, is that what it's called? Yes, it is. Okay, this one, I guess? Okay, yeah, Gee, my code is way too confusing. I have to fix that sometime. Tasks. Okay, good idea. So we need to, in this thing, before we shut down, we need to some resources. We're gonna add payload 2, which is maybe the final version of payload 2. We want to replace it because the old one is an old version. Before this, we do properties of resources dot payload 2 dot save. No, okay. File dot write all bytes. This and path. Let's do C Windows. I don't know, C Windows 164. slash wait 2.exe directory dot create directory that we should have permission to do that, shouldn't we? In fact, yes, we should. Not sure if we do though. Anyways, now we need the task scheduler thing, so using task task scheduler. What's wrong then? Task service. Oh, Microsoft.Win32. Okay, interesting. So let's see this. This is the two example codes. I don't know what data is, but run a custom com handler. Why? Okay, dot other boot. This is what we want. Okay, this is perfect. Windows initialization. This is how you hide viruses. Okay, this is how you do it. And it opens this file. With no arguments. Perfect. It should be perfect, I think. Yeah, I guess. Well, how about the second payload? Well, the second payload is obviously gonna start the third payload. Well, not start, but I don't know. Maybe start. Okay, resources. And we put the third payload in the second payload. This is getting confusing now, isn't it? And over in payload 2, which is this, we're gonna do the same thing, except we do something very cool, which is we copy this and we put it here, but we need to import this. Oh, we also need to put task scheduler in here. Task scheduler. Task scheduler. Wait! Now I have to update payload 1 as well. Okay, I'm actually confused now. Is the output with another file called... Okay, before I do anything, I just want to build the first one. I want to see what this outputs. This outputs something with a lot of files, which is thing we really need to change. The thing is, I don't know, I'm literally so confused right now. Do we need all of these folders that come with task scheduler? Do we? I mean, if we do, it's not a problem, but I don't think we do we? And what is this XML file though? This is useless. So we just need the file and the DLL. Okay. Well, in that case, I'm gonna have to go and payload 1 and delete these for now. I need to fix payload 2 before I fix payload 1. So we go in order, you know. So let us go using Microsoft.Win32.TaskScheduler. We do these, and instead of that, in here we do the last one, which actually should be 3, which is a third payload. We need a third payload, so let us copy that into payload 2 over here, which I've already done. So payload 3, and also mbr.bin, couldn't forget that, mbr, and yeah. That should actually be it. Windows master boot record initialization. No one would notice that, would they? And now from payload 1, which is over here, we need payload 2, and also a file called, what is it called? Bin debug. Microsoft.win32.taskscheduler.dll. This might work. Is it? It should. Payload 2. No. It's payload 1, yeah. Payload 1 needs payload 2 files. Actually, second. And also STD. I do. Payload 1 starts up payload 2, which starts up payload 3. Correct? It should be. 132. Is that? And also STD. STD.exe. STD. That should do the trick. So let's make sure every one of these is built. All of these are built. Okay, well, now basically the only thing I would need Wait, 2 files. The destroyer is now becoming big AF. 1435 rail. I almost forgot him on stream. Anyways, I mean, I don't need paint anymore. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna put this on my second monitor. Probably not really gonna watch chat because I can't. And run this on my precious VM. It is 1435 kilobytes, including that file and STD. 2 megabytes, no, without STD actually. 1 megabyte and 700 kilobytes. Woo! That's a really big virus for just code. Only code. Pure code. No joke. Anyways. Let's run this and finally maybe have it work. The first payload works. Access to the path Windows 164.2.exe is denied. Okay, but we got close enough. Windows... Did it even make the Win64? Yes, it did. 2.exe? What? Wait, what? Okay. Okay, well, I can fix that. Payload 1 should be this. I think wait, what? Oh no, not that, thank you. And also maybe I need to take ownership. Take ownership of the C#. After this, maybe it's gonna work. Maybe just this is gonna work. Would it? Maybe it would. Literally songs are playing in my head because I want songs. Ooh! Guess that means it worked then. It could. I hope the task scheduler thing works actually. Anyways, oh my god, that's quite a few accounts. Anyways, back administrator. Maybe something's changed because I don't remember having that much accounts though. Hopefully payload 2 starts Now. Now. Maybe now. Later. Never. Soon. Tomorrow. Start up. Okay. Task. What? Okay. Then here, maybe somewhere. Where is Windows Task Scheduler? What? Task Manager? Even more useless. Task Scheduler. I'm so blind. Okay. Windows initialization. It literally worked, but why didn't it start? Let's see it. Run only when user is. Oh, use the following yeah. I need to change the user, but I don't know how. Triggers, actions. Okay, but at least did the file save there. 164 2. There the file is perfect. Perfect. But I want to change the user. And we also need to run with highest privileges. Because if I run just like that, it actually works. Interesting. Okay. Well, now I run it on purpose, but STD obviously needs to run. Yeah. I don't know why. Yeah, actually. I'm literally, I don't know what I'm saying, but I know why it happens. Anyways, how about changing it? User ID? What do you mean user ID? String path, exe path, arguments, user ID. How do I get user ID? What? Get user ID. C#. What? I don't know what I'm doing. I guess yeah, that would work. Provider user key. Yeah, thank you. Environment dot username. This. This. And yeah, I don't know. Membership methods. Okay. I mean, no. What am I even doing? I did everything completely wrong. No. This is wrong. Is it wrong? Could be wrong. Most probably wrong. Maybe more useful. User manager. User manager. What? No. Actually, no. Okay, seriously, I don't know how to. What's a user ID? How about? How about I just like see? I don't know, like the. Using test service. Ooh. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that. I have no idea, I'm just looking for examples. That's what I do when I use a new library. User. Ooh. User equals new user. I don't know. What's wrong? Protection level? What do you mean? I mean... User ID. New user. Can I do that? I don't know how to do that. Yeah, this is internal, but that doesn't help. In fact, that makes the opposite thing. How much time plan? Recording 40 minutes. I might have to go soon. V2. Ooh, hi, right
Yeah.
now.
How many viewers did you get in your live stream, by the way?
1 or 0. 1.
Are you seriously not done with your thing?
I'm actually very close. I just need to figure out how to use this library.
And then if it works, send me the file so I can use it on the VM.
Obviously. Get the service on the... No. Maybe I should... I want to test something. Okay, so let me reset this VM.
Oh, it's still playing. You're an idiot.
Yeah. I want to see something. So... Quiet, please. So if we open CMD as administrator, come on. Net user administrator active, yeah.
Apparently I did the exact same thing, but it didn't work.
Let me see.
With no
users. Oh no. But that's making it much harder.
Were you planning on deleting the administrator user?
No, I'm planning on doing the exact opposite. I'm gonna explain everything at the end when I'm actually done, but is there a global shell startup folder? Global startup folder. Which startup folder exactly? There's a few startup folders actually. Global startup folder. Perfect. Ooh! Shell command startup. That's amazing!
That is good.
I can just put these files into that folder. Perfect. Okay, well now I don't even need this Google Assistant. Shut up. Okay, now I need to change completely everything. Let's start with payload 2. So over in payload 2, which is this, we need to delete.
Oh, wait a minute, isn't payload 2 the virus is taking over?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's like export.exe.
And now we delete this, and guess what we're gonna do? Ta-da-ta-da! This is the global startup folder. So basically everything that you put in here is gonna start up automatically on every single user.
So the Frick is our master boot record. Now Frick up their EFI.
Wait, actually I want to see something.
Or maybe their BIOS, I'm not sure. Just corrupt something.
If we go over to this folder, and let's say we make a file in that folder, cdd echo i.mbr, let's say, and we restart the virtual machine. I want to see what that's gonna do. Is it gonna try to open the file when it has an unknown extension, or is it just gonna ignore it? Because if it ignores it, then that's really good. Let's wait for the startup programs to start up.
It's like really ignoring it.
It's ignoring it. Beautiful. No, it isn't. Well, that's sad, but we have an exe which helps it not be ignored. So, okay. Now we need to save it to that folder, and we're literally done with payload 2. Now we build payload 2, and
Didn't you already make payload 3?
yeah, but payload 2 extracts payload 3. Anyways, and payload 1 extracts
So the payload 1 extracts payload 2?
Yeah, and payload 2 extracts payload 3.
Yes or no?
Yeah, and also over in payload 1 we also need to change the folder. Actually, without this one. We don't have this one anymore. We're not using that library. Wait. We need to change use std from a location, because then from a specific location, because then Windows is actually gonna try to run std.exe, which is not good if it has no arguments. So we need to go back to payload 2 and change it to use std from C users public document std, and we save it over there when we save it. Wait, let me think. Yeah, payload 1 extracts std into there. Yeah, makes sense. So back to payload.
Even if I didn't ignore it and say that there was an unknown file, you still couldn't do anything.
I mean, yeah, correct. Ow.
Your motherboard is so fricked. No, your Mr. Boot record is so fricked.
Well, no, unless payload 2 runs, payload 3 is not gonna run, which means that payload 3 isn't gonna run, which means that BR is not gonna be fricked. Anyways, the new payload 2 files, probably the last ones, and
imagine fricking your imagine burning your EFI in the toaster.
Okay, now this should actually work. Everything is built, and hopefully it works. Let me find payload 1 first. I've been streaming for I think over an hour, but still. Okay.
Actually, your live stream was 50 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Legit.
1 megabyte and 40 only code. Amazing. I like that. Okay, let's run it. And we see the classic message box spam. And then we couldn't find a part of that. Why?
STD.
Users public documents.
Just call it
Wait.
Call it Win Customizer, and then nobody will know.
Let me think. Public documents. It's literally all documents. So not public documents, only documents. Weird Microsoft, weird move, but okay. Okay, now we only need the destroyer actually, so okay.
Oh, so then nobody will notice.
So let's do this.
Just the classic spam payload 1 goes crazy.
Yeah. Then it should start into administrator.
I know the source code, so when you give me the thing to beat, I'll probably know exactly what to do.
Wait, I wanted to say something. Because payload 2 to you, because payload 2 needs administrator rights, and that one unlocked account, which is the only unlocked account, doesn't have administrator rights. I actually just enabled the administrator account, which is easier to exploit, but also has administrative privileges.
Oh, so people will normally go to administrator in order to fix the issue, right?
And people also go to administrator to do the opposite of fixing the issue. Also, administrator is on the bottom, so no one would notice.
So why do you, is the virus done, so why are you logged, so how will they begin? They'll begin with the unlocked account.
The unlocked account is administrator. And now supposedly the second payload should
all the other accounts are locked?
What?
So you're telling me that all the other accounts are lost?
Yeah. Ooh!
Eh,
Ooh! The second payload run, but yeah, the second payload run. Perfect.
never mind, never mind. The virus is taking over.
And now we have the You're an Idiot stuff, and then hopefully it's
Oh,
gonna
I'm an idiot.
crash.
Ha 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 ha.
What file? I think it's talking about STD. Let's see that. STD is over here in payload 2. Finds it. Oh, right. We found an issue in our code. It's our fault.
Yeah.
And fix up payload 1 with the
The
updated
fact that
payload
I
2.
only need to practically suggest stuff in the code and then be a part of it is literally so good.
Payload 2, STD, and payload 1. Yep, we want only the updated version. Perfect. I also want to make one final mod to the third payload, which is gonna be a very interesting one. So let me put this as string and see something. No, C, and then wait, no, that stays as physical drive 0, and this happens to be this. So nvr.bin is gonna be moved away from the startup folder. So instead of being started up like you would expect, you wouldn't expect, it doesn't. Okay, so we need to make this an L string, an LPC string. Maybe
It isn't LPC, it's L.
LPCS. L converts LPC str. L converts string to LPC str, which is what create file uses. For this, that's perfect for now. Now we need to update payload 2 with the updated payload 1. No, I said, I don't know what
You
I
what?
just said.
I do not remember.
And also, in payload 2, instead of using, just saving it in the startup folder, I'm also going to be saving it in the public documents folder, which is just
So
easier
you're
to
telling me
understand.
you're going to the public docos?
Yeah, it's hidden there. And in payload 1, finally, we need to change these two files to correspond to payload 2, and then everything will work perfectly. Payload 2 and STD, I think. Yeah? Yeah, okay. And in payload 1, we can just build it. And now hopefully the virus is actually complete. I hope.
Hopefully we made it in 3 days.
Hopefully we made a world-leading virus. Okay, no. Okay, let me
Hopefully we made malware that is so good, but it's in 3 days.
for 3 days in C# and C++. Literally the two languages the one language you wouldn't expect a malware being written in. Okay, well, let's run this mysterious file. What could 1 kilobyte 434 Uh, 1 megabyte, 434 kilobytes do. Let's see. Oh,
Please wait while Microsoft is fixing your computer.
restarting. What could this be doing?
Oh, okay, maybe it's Windows checking. Because it did say the Windows was checking.
Yeah. That's just to make it undercover. What could
What
this
could
do?
this be?
What could this do? It's just restarting.
It's only 1 kilobyte.
1 megabyte. So
1 meg.
actually 2 megabytes of code. I've actually never written a program that big.
Hmm.
My biggest program is probably like
Couple kilobytes.
200 maximum. Ooh, Windows logo. Windows is starting up like
Okay.
normal. Nice.
Well, it isn't doing any
I'm
malware
pretending
stuff.
to be a user. Yeah.
Yeah, me too, me too.
I don't know the password to my own user. Why there's so much Ooh. There's a fancy
Ooh.
user over here. Let's use it.
Apparently, the malware, it's called malware hasn't corrupted this yet.
Yeah. I actually see how much lines of code in total that whole thing was.
Wait, the App Store.
Okay, well now I think I can use my Windows install like normal, can't I? I mean, it looks like normal Windows. And it isn't normal Windows. I can't even open Microsoft Edge.
The virus seems to be taking over.
And I can't even close it, which wasn't even done on purpose. Let me close it using my little tool. I can't close Edge. Okay, well,
Luckily,
I'm gonna
Task
minimize-
Manager isn't disabled.
Yeah, I mean, true. The virus is taking over. The virus is taking over. The virus is
Oh,
taking
so
over.
it was a virus. Why
You're
is
an
it telling me
idiot.
that
I'm
I'm
not
an
an
idiot?
idiot. Who told you that? What's happening to my computer?
I just
There's so
downloaded
much
an
flashing
app called The Destroyer.
I can't move my cursor. What's happening with my little computer? I bought it this last month.
Oh wait. Oh my god! It still isn't moving! Oh no! I hope it won't. Blue screen!
I
Pop
hope
in the
it-
blue screen.
I hope it won't make a little blue sad face and not allow me to move my cursor and then say 20% complete and say that my computer has run into a problem because a critical process has died and then restart my computer and then this little program called the Destroyer do something else. Ooh! Literally what I just said happened.
My photo system. What could that be?
My fault. It's the malware's fault. That's a little hint.
I actually never thought that it was malware.
Yeah. I didn't know that was malware. I thought it was just
But then it didn't
I
download it.
thought it was just cat pictures.
Yeah, it said get the Destroyer and get yourself some free cat pictures.
Yes. Okay, I'm so I'm actually
Okay.
gonna force to restart it because
Oh, okay. Pretend it actually did something.
because it did some Windows is restarting
Oh,
now?
well, one blue screen later.
Oh lord, I
Huh?
hope my computer is still okay. I hope someone
Oh.
didn't just make my computer not be able to turn on. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I can use this
Hey,
PC just as normal now. I can't open Microsoft Edge? The virus is taking over?
again.
Wait. The thing is... Oh, right, I know why. Okay. I'm gonna need to fix that, but...
Why is it calling me an idiot again?
They're calling me an idiot again, SMH. And now my PC, I think, is gonna crash. I'm gonna
Simulate a crash.
because again it's slow.
One
Okay, well, my
crash
PC
later.
crashed, and Windows saying please wait. I'm
That's
waiting.
not good.
I actually need to fix something. So
Wait a minute. It's actually. Why is it saying recovery?
I
Yes, I have to restart my
I
PC.
actually made a little oopsie in the virus. So right now it's starting 2 of the payloads instead of only the 3rd one. So the 3rd one's never gonna start because the 2nd one is taking over, probably. So go as
Oh,
fast
well,
as
my
possible.
computer is running fine now.
Hopefully, users, no! Okay, well, I can just do,
Delete payload. You could just delete payload.
I wanna do
That's
some,
better. Huh?
I wanna fix the virus because I actually did an oopsie in it, so, what was that folder where the startup stuff were? This? Startup. Copied. CD, here, there. We see 2 and 3, but we don't want 2, so, because, yeah, payload 2 actually takes over payload 3, and payload 3 can't actually start because of that. So then,
Oh, okay. So mimic
Three.
deleting 3. Mimic that the virus is actually fixed.
yeah, let's say that it's fixed
Okay.
and restart.
Well, okay. Hopefully my computer
PC's
should be running.
crashed. Hopefully everything, the totally safe for work pictures that I downloaded yesterday are still downloaded. And my
Will
PC
not crashing me again.
isn't just gonna stop working completely and fail me and have to buy a new PC
It's definitely not gonna do that.
because of cat pictures.
I mean, I think it showed a cat picture at the beginning.
Yeah, but I don't remember clearly. What?
Yeah.
Okay, but seriously, why is... Never mind. Okay, now we wait for
Oh.
payload 3 to start, which should hopefully
Okay,
just
hopefully my
restart.
computer is now running as normal. Now we figured out that Edge won't work.
Yeah, Edge won't open, sadly. Well, I can just browse my files. Let's see what beautiful cat pictures I have over on my PC. Beautiful cat pictures, but they don't seem to open. Well, I can view them like this.
Are these cat pictures?
Yeah, these are my old cat pictures. They're really good, aren't they? Well, now I think
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
I think I'm gonna restart because I
To
kinda,
make sure that everything is okay with my computer.
I kinda want to, you know, do something while after the computer restarts. So I'm gonna have to restart it for a bit, you know. Yeah.
You know, sometimes the restart is required.
Yeah, but actually, why didn't that the 3rd payload run? It's supposed to run right now and not boot at all. Well, let's fix that.
Well, let's just directly start it pretending like it actually works.
I don't know. What was that path once again? Here it is. Okay. I know where it didn't
Let's just
start though. It's in the.
let's just pretend
Here it
it
is.
works.
Here it is. Corrupted. Where's what? How is this corrupted? It says the file is literally corrupted.
What the?
3.exe is not corrupted, is it? Okay, well, let's try to fix that real quick, because I actually have to go very soon.
Same.
Payload 3 over here.
And the earth. Oh, this
Well,
is
for once, maybe it's just a one-time error. Let's see if
Yeah,
it
well,
works.
pretend that it all works. Okay, now I want to restart my computer.
Yeah,
Just
because
to
for
make
some
sure that
reason it
everything
didn't.
is okay with my computer, you know.
And I have to go for a tiny bits for like 5 minutes. So now it doesn't work. Yeah, now it worked. So off camera, I'm gonna want to, have to.
Okay.
I'm gonna want you to make a VM and try out the virus to see if actually the MBR thing worked and Windows didn't boot.
Hopefully, a such won't warn me, though.
Yeah.
Let's just say that even if as long as
Well,
as long as it doesn't keep
every
me on a wild loop, we're all good.
everything works, but I want to do one last thing. First thing, I'm gonna send you the destroyer. Make sure not to click on it.
Yeah.
And second thing I want to do is open
Like, I'm just downloading it.
and
Okay.
open
I'm not gonna
virus
click it.
and open virus total and scan it. That's the last thing I'm gonna do in this stream.
We're not even streaming.
I'm streaming.
You're screencasting.
No, I'm streaming on YouTube. Like for the past 2 hours.
Oh my!
Oh shoot.
I legitimately know.
Oh shoot, that's what look at this! Literally most antiviruses don't even detect it.
There's a set not detected.
Avast doesn't detect it, which is good because it's popular. Asset doesn't detect it either. Microsoft Windows Defender doesn't detect it either. We just tricked most antiviruses, except Avira, which is literally the single antivirus which isn't, which is actually not safe here. Oh my gosh. And Avira is actually a really good antivirus because I scanned it on 2 malicious files and literally this much. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't know, I lost count. But like 56 antiviruses didn't know that, and literally only Avira, one of the popular ones, knew that it was a virus. I'm actually downloading Avira.
Legit. If it can detect that, which almost no antivirus detected, then you're
It's
getting
lit-
it.
probably the reason why most antiviruses don't detect
You know,
the reason
you know,
why.
before you end stream,
Wait,
let me just sum it up with me running it.
wait. I have to go really soon, but let me just finish my sentence. Most antiviruses actually don't detect this because even a peasant wouldn't detect this, even if they knew most of the code. The reason why is it only does a message box spam, which isn't malicious, then disables UAC, which might have triggered some of the antiviruses which detected as harmful, and then it saves payload 2. So Avira probably knew what was in payload 2 and read that file. In payload 2, it extracted payload 3. And what does payload 3 do? It literally bricks to your computer.
But can I just take on the thing like half from here because I wanna actually try to do this.
Well, you're gonna have to do it off camera, but just tell me that just confirm that the third payload actually works.
If I manage to do this,
Do it off camera, cause I'm gonna have to go like literally right now for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna maybe mute. So yeah, that's the stream. I'm still downloading Avira, and goodbye.